Good morning, everybody. I hope you're feeling good today. If you're like a lot of the people in the world, you were up late with bated breath to see the results of the election. But now that it's over with, it's nice to be able to move on with our lives, isn't it? Regardless of whether or not who you liked won or not. It's just good to be done with all the drama. So anyways, today, I have a super special treat. Because this is Hans's revenge. The revenge of Hanz Molegod. I got this legendary mole man creature yesterday when I was opening my pack. And I ran out of storage space on my computer, so I cut off the video. But if you could see at the end, I opened this guy and I was like absolutely fucking thrilled. Because he's super cool. He's a mole. A mole god. So this is the revenge of Hanz Molegod. I'm probably just going to get my shit pushed in. I haven't tested this deck at all. I threw it together, then I had to run some errands, and I came back, and now I'm playing it for the very first time. And we'll see how this plays out. I'm going to even keep this lousy slow start hand. Just for kicks. But at least I'm playing against Athreos, another god, so it's truly the battle of the gods here. This guy's playing Dark Ritual and Replicating Ring. I don't even know. Let's keep it simple, stupid. I got 2 forests and a mountain, so I'll go ahead and get a mountain. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing good. I had a good night at work. I was rocking and rolling all night. Got off at a decent time. Everything was beautiful. And I think everything's going to be beautiful. With the exception of the extremely fucking cold weather I'm having here. Out in the sticks where I live. But I can avoid that. Here in my sadness cave. In my dark room. Playing my magic cards. So what does this do again? It's 8 minutes. Remove all of them and create 8 color snow artifact tokens named Replicated Ring. So it just like goes ultra mega mana mode. Okay. That makes sense. See, look at this. See where I'm going with this? Yeah. Alright, I mean this should be so cool. I'll put it on my red land. It makes sense. I'm gonna want to bring Hans out and just go fucking ham. That's the whole idea. I'll do this so that I can drop Hans next turn and still have a mana. Yes. To do my super trample mega effect. I do wish I had something to destroy this. I have this oddest feeling that this artifact is gonna like go uber destructo on me. Doesn't have any. I mean, guy doesn't have any counter spells at least. White and black is less than 7. It's not a creature. Alright. Is that it? A coin counter? What does that do? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Whatever creature with a coin counter dies or is put next to control. Oh. I don't like that. But that's okay. So what I want to do is this a colorless to activate that? Oh, it's not even a colorless then. So if I go here, and then I go here, and I go there, and I go like that. See, and now I'm a happy person because I did it. It is the revenge of Hanz Molegod. Live. And on the radio. This guy's trying to do something absolutely ridiculous. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I'll take that action. It's called pornography action. But see, look at this. This is a great thing because I planned ahead on account of my genius brain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap this for a green. I'm going to bring out Balustrade Worm. And I was going to say that I'm going to give him haste, but he already has haste. So that's kind of funny. So actually I just missed out on doing 1 damage. But like, you get it. I'm so smart, you know. This needs what? 4,000 counters on it. It has 8 or 9. 8 or night? It has 8 or night counters on it. Say what now? Oh. Sorry. Yeah, he's gonna try to do like a combo and win the game. Right? The Theos? I don't know, dude. Sure. Sure. Is he doing something crazy? Okay, I guess that makes sense. He was doing crazy stuff. Okay, I got like 1 turn to kill him. It did take me like way too long to get anything going here, so it's like 100% my fault if he turns it around and beats me. Okay, hold on. Brain activate. So, yeah, I know. I kind of just want to do this. Right? I could do this. Fuck it. I don't have enough mana to even do that. I'm not very good at live. Oh, I really want to cast this. Isn't that a cool card? So you can just keep bringing Balustrade Worm back because he's got that stupid thing. Okay. Alright, so I gotta kill him this turn, but I think I can do it pretty easy. So, brain, activate. Does 4 damage to each creature and each planeswalker. I don't want to do that. I want to active treason. Here. Boom. I wish I could cast that, so it's 1, 2, 3. I can't do that. It's fine. Good, he quit. Pussy. Yeah, because I could have just swung with the team and then, yeah, that was it. Alright. I was overthinking it, you know what I mean? But my brain doesn't work too well, and I worked all night, so fuck you. Anyways, easy W, no contest. I'm the best Magic player in the world, obviously. Let's move on to it. That was my first game, right? First game with this deck, and, you know, it did stuff. It was stuff. I had stuff in my hand that I could have done. You saw that. You saw what was going on. But now I have to play against Sauron, the lidless eyes. Now shit's getting real. We're getting real up in here. We got slow mana. It's fine. You know what I mean? We're going to go ahead and say, I'm going to go ahead and get a forest. Because that'd be super cool if I could get the gingerbread Canon, you know, to come out and, like, be cool. What? I'm going to commune with nature. Creature card. What was it? Glutton? Yes? Or Provisions Merchant? Yes. That Glutton's kind of a dumb card, but I mean, it's kind of cool too. A Nazgul. They hunt in the night. Oh. Thinking thoughts. Otherwise it can't block. Well, that doesn't do me a whole lot of good now, does it? I can do this just because I can put, oh, I could do magic trick there. The creature enters this turn, put a moment, and they fight each other, but then the Nazgul will kill him. Yes, death touch. Boo. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? I'm gonna do it. Who cares, right? Like, whichever creature I do it with is gonna die. It doesn't matter. Rakdos! I can bring out Quetzalcoatl or whatever his name is. Or whenever you sacrifice another creature, exile to a man, god, library, sacrifice another creature. Indestructible until the turn. What? Okay, so he can kind of protect himself. So that's what I'll do. What the fuck? That's so dumb. Should be impossible. That's kind of a spell should be illegal. A 5 mana removal spell. It's absurd. Okay, I guess it comes into play tapped. I guess that comes out. Get some food. In case I get hungry. Y'all know how I be getting. I suppose I could have read what his commander did. That would have been like cool, you know. How dare you? Wish that like flash. Yeah, it doesn't do anything too crazy, buddy. Maybe he was getting a pop. He's like, sorry dog, I had to go grab a pop. No tax. You can swing over with your ornithopter. Is this guy flying? Oh, what a dipshit. Wow. Whoa. I've really done fuck all this game, really. It's kind of funny. It's a crystal slipper, don't you see? I'm totally dead this game. Don't worry, like, you're not gonna die. That was still really cool, though. Take this crystal slipper as a memento of my love. Yeah, you win. Congratulations. I guess that was kind of cool. It was like on theme. He had the Nazgul and he got that other dipshit out. Yeah, I can already tell that's going to be the problem with this guy. Is it's going to be a little slow. Maybe I can find some creatures or something that's going to help me kind of get through those early stages, you know? Like, I feel like I've got some ramp creatures in here. I've got 1 or 2 spells that'll help me ramp. I've got some burn. Maybe I've just had bad luck. This stuff, you know, it's like nothing I can burn out. I'll keep it. Whenever you cast a creature spell, create a little dude. Oh, see, I like that. Look at that. He looks like a nice guy, too. And he was such a nice fella. So I've got a mountain, so I need my green. Second forage. I don't have any way to. Well, I've got the bristleback, but I'm not going to wait for that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, and then I'll go here, and then I'll go here. Oh, cool. This works out really well. This is a cool card. I don't have anything, the thing to like meld it, but it doesn't really matter. I just like being able to give haste to things. Parallel lives that's a problem. When I say that's a problem, I mean it's like a really big problem. I don't know if you knew that. But it's like a potentially catastrophic problem. Why is he doing this to me? He doesn't want me to come over with Andrag. Mole Usurper. I like that that doesn't come in tapped. That's nice. So, are you a legendary creature? Oh, I guess that's a fucking tree. That ain't no human. Okay, it is. Alright, so I'm going to have to destroy the enchantment, right? But I can only destroy an artifact, right? The 2 target creatures can't block this turn. I can generate 5 mana. So I can do that. But I'm not going to do that. So I can bring out Andrag. Away. Battle for better God. Pray to God. I can read. So I get to swing with Andrag. I'm just going to call him Hanz. So I'm going to swing over with Hanz, and then I can use combat tricks. Wow. Can I do both of those? I can do that and give to the Viper. I mean... I like to give to the Vipers an instant. Maybe he'll cast some cool spell. And then like I'll be able to like change the target of it. No, he's just making creatures. No. No. Now I hope I get fucking pyroclasm. I'm doing it. Cool. Your life total can't change and you gain protection from everything. All permanents you control phase out. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Because it just... all of this stuff should like cease to exist, right? Or does that not work? Does phasing not make it? Oh, that's so dumb. That should I... Wow. So phasing doesn't work like removing from game, it doesn't get rid of his tokens. That's gotta be some kind of glitch. Okay, yeah, I get it, dude. If I draw Pyroclasm next turn, you're gonna be pissed. Yeah. I don't even care what this does. Okay. Watch, he's not gonna attack. He's just like sit there fucking cross-eyed. Yeah, I get it. Oh my god, please let me draw fucking Pyroclasm this turn. God damn it. He wants to be able to swing over and kill me in one hit. Alright, kill me, dude. I hate when people do this kind of thing. They like want to build up these like hyper super mega overkill. Good. Wow, you did it. I shouldn't be so bitter. Okay, we'll play one more. I'm gonna get one more win, right? So it's 1 win, 2 losses. 3 losses. I don't know. I should probably win this next game, right? That's statistically, yeah, no, maybe. My decks are so basic. These other people are like setting up these like crazy. I don't know, man. What a mulligan. Yes. Yay. So I have a forest, so I'll go get a mountain. Yeah, my decks are like way too straightforward. But I hate net decking, you know, because other people, they do all the big brain shit for you. Figure out all the best combinations, all the cool stuff you can do, you know. But, oh my god, I'm so stupid. Should have dropped a fucking forest so I could play my explorer. It's alright. Yeah, because now it's just draw a card. Whatever, I'll do it anyways. I don't care. No way. No way did that work out for me. Glarb. I am Glarb. But I don't want to make him fight Glarb. What if I don't want him to fight Glarb? Swing over with Glarb. Yeah. Swing over. Come on. You can touch me with death. Oh no, he's thinking. That's a terrible sign. I hate it when people think in this game. And it's Narhan 97, so he's kind of like a narwhale, but instead of being a whale, he's a han. This guy's making some big decisions right now. Can ignore my friend's name right there. Huh, weird. Got to 4 cards, name lightning. Built into your library, then shuffle. I just think that's so cool. I threw that in there. I know that that's a dumb card, but I had it, and so I threw it in there. Really? This guy's like straight up AFK. He's like, I don't want to take out the trash right now, Mom. She's like, you better get in there. You're 27 years old and you don't have a job. Take out the trash. So it accomplished its goal, right? When it attacks. So he has to attack. Yay! I'll just do this just to get rid of Glarb. I don't even care really, you know what I mean? At the end of the day. He's got like 5,000 cards in his hand somehow. He's gonna come back and be like, what happened to Glarb, dog? What happened to my Glarb, bro? My guy? I would hate it if this is my last game. It's just watching Glarb waste his life not playing Magic. I think he dies if he runs out of time this time, doesn't he? Yeah. Alright, you know what? I'm sorry, but I have to play another one. Because that can't count. It just can't count. Hopefully this one actually moves, and I win. I want both those things to happen. Shagrat. Yep, I'll keep it. So, I think that that's so cool. Since I'm just going to be doing this, I don't necessarily need to surveil, yeah. Greatest card ever printed. No. Come on, John, be smart. Atali's favor. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. I like that it explores. Or discover, I shouldn't say explore, discovers. Since there's 8 billion different keywords in this game now. Alright, so he's doing something cool. I like it when people do cool stuff. You know, screw it. Oh, let's cancel it. I just showed my hand, but it's fine. He's seen it. He knows what's going on. End my turn. Anzac. Try to swing over with the ankle biter. He'll block. I'm glad I didn't read that. And he didn't have first strike, because I would have felt like a big old dumbass. That's actually really cool. There's Shagrat. He's gonna equip. Can't afford to equip. Didn't come into play tapped. Yes. That's fine. I'll take it. He doesn't have Death Touch. Kaboom. I have one magic. This has truly been the revenge of Hanz Molegod. What do you want me to discard? The Balustrade Worm or my Railway Brawler? I'd say Railway Brawler is probably the one to pick. Whatever, dude. Bladed Battle Fan. Is it? Time to turn now. I'm not gonna block that. You out of your fucking mind? Doesn't have vigilance, does he? He has lifelink though. Oh, wow. Alright, so how about this? Because I want lifelink too. Right? Can I do it? Should I do it? Who cares? What does he got? Board 2? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2. Yeah, that's fine. Yes. 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 What a wonderful party this has been. Alright guys, well that was pretty fun. I mean it was like 50% fun. Some of those games were just lame as shit, but I get to open a pack, so let's see what I have. What do I get? Let's play a game. If there are 4 more card types, more cards in your graveyard, choose 1 or more. -1, discard 2 cards. What's this? Kaito, Bane of Nightmares. Oh, it's the ninja guy. I'm not gonna do ninjas. Yeah, I guess it's okay. I don't know. Sad robot. Okay, guys. Well, you know what? Thanks for hanging out. I appreciate it. Thanks for the moral support and watching me have some fun games and some not so fun games. But, you know, that's life. Just like with the big election that happened, sometimes things go your way and sometimes they're just dog doo-doo. One way or another, y'all have a good day. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.